Dear teachers, good morning. Please wear something either red black or red white combination for tomorrow's happiness well-being program.
Please dress on the basis of Bollywood theme.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got a message from my school group. Tomorrow we are having happiness and well-being program in our school. So I'll have to wear something related to Bollywood. The theme is Bollywood. I don't know what to do. I'll have to search my wardrobe. I think I don't have anything. Let's see how I'm fixing it. And it's a Saturday. We have holidays on Friday and Saturday. So that's the thing. Hey guys, I didn't find anything in my wardrobe for tomorrow's function. So what I did is I went to buy a new one outside and just reached and I got a new one for me for tomorrow's function. So this is the one that I have bought for tomorrow. This is a gown. Basically it's a long gown because we are not allowed to wear any sleeveless and no short clothes allowed in the school. So I thought, let me go for a long gown. It's a red gown because they need red color, and there are sleeves also, short sleeves, but at least it's not without sleeves. That's the main thing we need. So this is basically a long simple gown. I don't know why it is very dark red color in the camera, but it's not that dark in real. And this is the jewelry, this is the earring I have to pair up with this gown. Simple earrings. I'll be straightening my hair. This is what I have thought for now. It may change, it may not change. Everything depends upon my mood. I'll have to get up very early in the morning because as usual I leave at 6 o'clock in the morning every day. My bus comes at 6 o'clock. So tomorrow, however, I have to get ready. So I'll have to get up little early than usual. So let's see how I get ready. Hey guys, so I'm waiting for my bus, school bus. It's 5:55 a.m. in the morning and it's a Sunday. So guys, this is how I got ready on that day. As I said, I will be straightening my hair. I did the same. I didn't change my plans. I had same earrings but one extra chain too, as you can see here. Even though it was happiness and well-being day, the work never stops. This day too I had to work. I had to sit in front of laptop and it was urgent work for all the teachers. And later we had a grand entry inside a hall. The organizers had made these beautiful crowns for all the teachers and this made our day. After 3 months of working here in this school, I saw for the first time all the teachers enjoyed. They were talking to each other. We got time to know each other actually. And next was my favorite part of this event, which is a ramp walk by teachers. Here I am walking in my own style. Keeping in mind the situation of today's world, that is COVID-19, a safety video was shown by the organizers to all the teachers, and later there was a gratitude to our primary head, Miss Hazra. After playing lots of games, we had this cake from the department. And next, our principal ma'am, Miss Susan Verghese, visited us. She was asking us how's the program going on. Then she cut the cake and we all enjoyed.
God bless you all. Okay, I stand and rest you take care. Okay, all right, I'll see you.
After this, we were served with some snacks, samosa, and the cake that we cut. And after having this, again I went on busy with my usual work, the school work, and I don't know what I was doing. I was talking to someone, I think, and later there was a big discussion. You can see here. This was for the pizza that we had ordered. We had ordered two pizzas, veg and non-veg, but we were not able to identify which is the veg and which is the non-veg. So this was the discussion going on there.
This is veg. That is yeah, that is veg. Yeah, for the one. This is all veg.
Vegetarian type of okay. Where is the birthday girl?
After having pizza, then it was the time to leave school. At 2 o'clock, we leave usually from school, and and that was my day of happiness in the school, which I thought let me share with you all. It was a very good day. After 3 months, I got a chance to know my teachers, know the school. Yeah, here I end my video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with more such interesting videos. Till then, you all take care. Bye bye.